Even though ITIL V3 was retired as a course of study and a certification path in 2022, its practices and terminology are still widely used in many organizations. Those organizations expect IT professionals to know essential ITIL V3 terminology, principles, practices, models, and concepts, as they are fundamental to the way these organizations operate. ITIL V3 concepts and terminology are also embedded in many IT management software applications, which is another reason why knowing basic ITIL V3 concepts is still valid. With them, you'll find it easier to understand the structure and function of such tools, and it will take you less time to take them up and use them effectively. At the foundation course level, where ITIL V3 covered all concepts at a high level, ITIL IV only covers a subset, leaving further coverage to more advanced courses. So, it is still useful to understand ITIL V3, which fills in the blanks on some of these still valid concepts that have carried over into ITIL IV.